Today I just want to touch base with you about creating your Schoology blog, which is what we're going to use for some writing assignments, some reflection pieces, and specifically our IRB reflection pieces. Okay, anytime I ask you to do some writing, if I say go to your blog and do it, this is how you're going to go. You go up to your name, okay? You'll see a little drop down, and yours may look different from mine with some of these, I don't know, but it'll say your profile. When you go to your Schoology profile, you come over to the left, you'll see, I don't know again how many of these you have, but one of them will say blog. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on blog, and then you are going to create a post. Okay, you give your post a title. So for this assignment, it will be IRB Reflection 1. That's what you're going to call this first entry. Okay, and then in here, you're going to answer the questions that I've given you to answer about your book. Okay, so these questions will change every week. There'll be different questions, or every 2 weeks, however we do it. But those are going to be what this is where you're going to answer those questions for me. Again, you're going to always do this in paragraph form. You're going to do this in complete sentences. You're going to be mindful of your punctuation, your capital letters, okay? And make sure that they are as grammatically correct as you can. All right? So that's just a really quick little intro into how to do this. Then once you've typed out your actual reflection this week, I will reflect on the setting of, let's say, the setting, characters, and time period. In my book, of my book. Okay, and then you're going to obviously actually type all the answers that you're going to put, and then you hit Save Changes. Okay, and you've got an IRB Reflection 1 blog post, and then I'll go into your blog posts and I will grade them and comment on them. Okay? All right, take care.